Three of the most important concepts I learned in this course were differentiation, the principles of design, and combining text and images. In Chapter 1 of her Graphic Design Foundations typography video series, Ina Salt instructs on the important differences and characteristics of basic type styles. This was applied to my coursework as a means to support claims regarding the importance of understanding typographic differentiation. In my career, I may apply this to make smarter, more purposeful design decisions. Stephanie Corrigan explains the main purposes of typography and how to use it effectively to promote legibility and heighten the primary message. This applied to my coursework as an example to compare against the case study, highlighting differentiation's role when choosing and combining fonts. Since different typefaces convey different personalities and help establish the mood, tone, and feeling of a design, I can apply this strategically in my career to create the right impression. Charlotte Jirosek breaks down both the elements and principles of visual design with examples to support each concept. This was applied to my coursework to support arguments about the case study and observation of the principles applied. In my career, I can use these principles as guidance for design decision making. Cameron Chapman addresses there being no real consensus in the design world as to what the main principles actually are, then shares 12 principles she's found mentioned most in her research. I applied this to my coursework to support arguments regarding drawbacks and benefits inherent to the concept of design principles. I may apply these principles in my career to create better design solutions while saving myself sufficient time and energy. In Chapter 6 of Graphic Design Foundations, Layout and Composition, Sean Adams shares best practices for combining words and images as he describes what designers should and shouldn't do to achieve a successful solution. I applied this to my coursework for context to compare and contrast against examples and to demonstrate the drawbacks of combining text and images ineffectively. In my career, I can apply this to change or enhance the design's intended meaning. Janie Cleaver also explores best practices for combining text and images and provides several examples of its real-world application. I applied this to my coursework by using one of its examples to compare and contrast against the case study. I can apply this in my career to achieve quick and clear communication through design choices in which text and images flow together seamlessly.